Hey Bunny, so it is definitely the next day. When I got back from town, I did not get time to vlog like what I went to go buy or anything like that because I had to immediately start getting my hair braided. And right now I'm even in a rush because I need to start packing to go to the village. But you guys saw the hair in the video, but this is the hairstyle. I love it so much. It looks really nice. I love it. It's so pretty. But I need to start packing because it seems like people are trying to make money. It's December and so they are trying to either increase prices or force people to pay extra because we need to go home and we basically need them. So I don't know, but let me quickly show you guys what I got and then I start packing. But the packing part will be for today's vlog. It won't be for the same vlog, it will be for the next vlog. So I got this thing from Chicken Pay. I got this, and you don't want to guess the price. This is the price. This is how much it was. So this is a mirror with lights on the side, and I'm taking this along, and it was just $150 in Pick and Pay. It was on sale. Then obviously I got braids and I got snakes, and then I got a white shirt from Pep, which is what I'm wearing today. And then I got, the favorites. I always get this ones when I'm in Pep, so y'all should know by now. I got this. And then we got an umbrella. We got an umbrella in, what else did we get? Oh, okay, let's see this plastic there. Oh, okay, we got a Christmas dress. Yes, this is a green Christmas dress. You guys will see this on Christmas Eve. And then I got these pants. These pants are pretty like common, like I think they were in legit at a point, and now they were in Big 30 for $130. So pretty, I know. Yes guys, I think that's all I got together with the braids. If there's anything else I forgot that I got, I'll just insert that in the next vlog. But yeah, that's it that I got. I need to quickly pack up and get ready and leave, or else I won't be able to leave town today. So
Merry Christmas.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old flaws, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old flaws, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old flaws, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change.
so at the hike part, I was lucky enough to get a car as soon as I got it. We still need one more person, so we're waiting for one extra person and then we'll be out of Windhoek. But yeah, that's the update.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories.
So I just got home. I'm home now. I'm in Okakarara, and you guys, these people like things. Like, look at that. They're kind of decorated for Christmas. You know, Christmas is not just my thing. It's a family thing. Like, everyone in my family loves Christmas. It's not just me. Look, I remember this. These cards are so old, you guys. They have Christmas cards here. These cards are so old. We used to buy these cards back when we were in high school, and we would write in them, "Hi, Mama, Mama, what run the present at the Christmas?" Christmas presents. Oh, down there. Christmas presents on top of the fridge. I got them when decorate the Christmas and more Christmas cards. Oh wow, okay. Yeah, I'm home now. I need to do my mom's nails and then I'll go to the village. I wonder what's in the presents. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Penandando. What am I? Oh. And good luck. Good luck. And good luck. Go now. These ones are doing their hair. Let me show you. Magende, that one over. What another? Hey, Magende, I do. And the way. And the way. Costella kutu magende mushikora raro yuni. Raro yuni sheka kwamba. Tabambo.
Inaiba.
Nati. And it's my very shitty. Post and the print. Post and print. Post and print. Smile is print. Yarwi. Yarwi. Manwarwi no. Smile ar gwana manwarwi. Manwarwi. Tunggu lagi smile. Sudah. Ini. Hey, lu mendingan on? Yeah. I just came in the car chilling.
Udah nasi po?
Ami. Biburai?
Udah nasi.
Eh?
Udah nasi.
Ami habi tuna nasi. Ay kak. Ngwai.
Udah no.
Mudre kutuna. Mudre hani kutuna. Ne kutuna ni masih di. So, Pep is over there. That's where they went. We're just sitting in the car, chilling in the car. So it's like a few minutes later, and then we are at Pep. I'll show you guys now. We are at Pep. Okay. Okay. Open Nanji. Friend Nanji. Friend Nanji ni. Oh, she just tinggal pinara ni. Era pengina mama masih. For me and him, we didn't. Okay, I have a mask, but I wasn't gonna buy anything. I was just gonna go around in the shop. But my sister forgot her mask, so I gave her my mask. Not share mask. But yeah, I gave her my mask and she went in the shop. So me and this one here are just chilling. What I'm. Onyan di sini, nama sih. Oh, kebaru amba. Karamu. Someone got hit by a car. And everybody's trying to get him out from under the car so that they can put ice on him because there's no doctor right now to help him. But he's sitting. He seems like, I don't know, he's sitting. He even walked out. So it might be fine. Larissa is there doing the most. He's to be careful of picking him up. I don't want to laugh. Maybe it won't. Mama anja kula sama nguri rembo uri. So he refuses to come out from under the car, so we're just gonna try to put the ice on him from under the car. Careful, ne? He might maybe bite you. She said, ne? She asked Zali, what if the dog bites me? And the Zali's like, he might maybe not bite you. There he goes. He's there. Oh, he's stretching fine. Why hamwa maramaka na ori? Mundamo bai hama ke hieri de kwa itithiri.
Mahame ko. Onanya numo shwa kone. Ailete ko sharishe uja hambo okutumba nei. Aikamure osurusha ngashika pakati ko donna njokuti yepenyi. Ukute sharwe ukute metambo repenye nei. Kono kukutana, kono kukavana. Ochinacho patrura ulingaka shina oshosha ngashitune ko sharishe. Bunda patruka. Era pindo ngali patruka kendo.
The blue thing should touch the dog.
Yes. It is touching.
On the lap.
Larissa, the cloth, ne?
It will be too hot. No, it won't. No, but no, my nyama she high. Yeah, it's okay. And then your agriculture, you young request.
I'm going to my thumb. Ha, you guys.
It will be too hot.
She meant it will be too cold. You all know what she meant.
Yeah. Mara ipe gudi. Okay. Ndaye ko shari. Ko mavere mbona? Kati ko sengono ikena mbona? Kati ko maono. Nani yako ipe kumanda no. Ngene ko ihamwa no. Osha mboku pali no minandi dogo ni mara man.
There is a day of accidents, but you know me. It's usual. It's nothing new. I cut myself with a light. Wait, come outside here. Idea, this child name made our mom drink water from the dog's plate.
No, I had sugar. So the doctor said we should give sugar water to the dog. And then I had sugar water in the cup. And then she's like, there's the dog's plate. Go get it and put the water in. Then I put the water in and then I'm like, taste if the sugar is not good.
And then guess where she tastes from the dog's plate? You guys. At least it's not that dirty, ne?
Yeah, no, it's a new one. It's a new bowl.
But still, it used it before.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's go back under the car. Giving it water to drink now. Larissa is anjiri mundang bikairu ke hiombwa.
Ay.
It's fine. It's because the ice is burning it.
Really?
Mainu kuda kegerwe. Eh? Mainu. Eh? Is it taking?
Yes.